Where? Where do you want to go? Right here? You want to go here? Old-fashioned fried chicken? Chicken. Fried chicken. You watching baseball? Oh, they have a game on. Baseball game. I'm too hungry to focus. When you're older, you can play baseball with daddy. I used to be pro back in the day. I was really good. Oh, I'm so hungry. You have to take out your jacket. Okay. Oh, that's a call button. You press that? Don't press it now. If you press it, then someone comes to serve us. It's a call button. Yeah. You don't need that, Serene. Don't worry about it. Daddy will take care of you. Dad, you're my princess. You like Daddy's scarf? I did a scarf. You like it? Do I look like a cowboy? Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Yeehaw! You want to play baseball? Future baseball player. It's a snack. 뻥튀기. Oh, 뻥튀기. Korean rice snack. It's really good. So crispy. She closes her eyes. 막 음미하면서. Green. Oh, I'm sorry. It's green. Does it taste different? Does it have a different flavor? Like spinach or broccoli or cucumber? Can I have another one, please? No. Serene, can I have a green one? Oh!
이거 먹어봐. 이거 먹어.
Okay.
안 돼. 이거 뭐야?
This? This is small plate.
됐다.
Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, half for me, half for you. No, half for you, half for me. Okay. High five. I've never seen anybody eat 뻥튀기 with a fork. You're so creative. Okay, I'll give you some more. Refill, 뻥튀기 refill. There you go. Serene, what's this? Plate. 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 망했다.
뜨거워. 이거 안 뜨거워. 이거 안.
어유나, 치킨 좀 먹을래? 치킨 한 입 하고 가. So good. Yummy, yummy. Amazing. Delicious. Here's Serene. Serene, the fried part is spicy. So just eat the white meat, okay? The white meat is not spicy.
아빠 매우지? 아빠 매워.
A little bit.
매워.
Just a little.
매워.
Spicy. It's a little spicy.
이거 안 매워.
That's not spicy. That's just white meat. I picked out the white meat just for you. It's not spicy at all. If it's too spicy, you can have a radish.
아빠 먹어봐.
Oh, so refreshing, baby.
먹어봐. 이거 먹어봐. 아빠 이거 먹어봐.
Number 7, put it in your mouth. Serene, smile. Big smile.
좋아요.
1, 2, 3, cheese. High five. Yeah. 크리스의 슈, 크리스의 슈.